Hello friends, in this video I'm going to create the routes and controllers for the front end. So if I open the Laravel Livewire project and inside the web PHP we have the routes for the front end here and back end here. So first I'm going to create the controllers. Clear this one and I'm going to say artisan make controller, and now I'm going to say front end, and first we need the welcome controller. Okay, next one is the movie controller. Okay, next we need the TV show controller. TV show controller and cast controller. Okay, and also the genre controller. Okay, clear this and run the npm run watch now. And I'm going to copy the routes we have here. Go to the VS Code, open the web PHP, and change now this route. This is for the backend, and paste that routes we have here. So we need to say here the welcome controller, and we need to import that. Okay, so where is the welcome? Import. Okay, next thing is movie controller. Movie controller front end, and we added here as front end movie controller. Okay, the same thing I'm going to do for this one. And next one we need the TV show controller for front end, and it's going to be front end TV show. Okay, next one we need the cast controller, and I think the cast controller we have here, but we need also front end cast controller, and copy and paste it here, and also the genre front end controller here. Okay, everything is not just we need to change this to be TV shows. So TV shows like this, and copy, paste it here, also here, and also here we need to say TV show slack, the same thing here, TV show slack, and I think we are okay. The same thing we need to add it here, so TV shows.show.index, and we are okay. Save this. And come here now and make these links work. So inside the navbar, where we have the movie, I think the movies first. Yeah, movies is here, and we need here the link from the inertia. So after the ref, we need to import link from inertia. Okay, we think where we imported that link, Inertiajs view 3. So copy this and paste it here. Okay, and now we can say not anchor tag, but link. And the same thing we need to add it here. And what we have now for movies, we have /movies. So we can say only that /movies. Okay, the same thing here, add link and also close the link. And here is the TV show. And also TV shows like this. Okay, next one is that what we have next one is casts, and the same thing. So add link and close the link here, and say here casts. And now we need the genres here. So if I open the Livewire and inside the resources navbar, now we get the genres like this, app models and genre all. But in the inertia, in the Vue.js, we cannot access the genres like this. Okay, so for that, we need to add in the handle inertia request and access from there. So if I open now the handle inertia request, we have isAdmin, and we need one more for genres. And I'm just going to add genre all for now. And maybe not the ID, but okay, not the ID, slug, and the title. Okay, now we need to import the genre model, hit save, go to the browser and refresh. Okay, welcome controller index does not exist. Yeah, we need to create the index and show also in the movie and all of that. So first I'll open the movie welcome controller and create a function here. Okay, and name it index. And I'm not returning anything right now. Close this, open the movie controller frontend, movie controller. And from frontend also we need to create the index method here. And I'm going to create one more for the show. So function and name it show. Here we need the movie $movie, and we need to import that. Okay, save. Next one, we need the TV show front end. So TV show controller from front end, and here we need the show, the index, the show, and the season show, and also the show episode. So where is the movie controller? In here, because I'm going to copy this two and paste it to the TV show. So that's okay. And one more. So here is going to be TV show first. So say TV show as TV show and import that. Okay, now this one is going to be the season show. Copy and paste it here. And the next one is the show episode. Copy and paste it here. Now here we need the TV show, $TV show. Okay, so in the web now for the show, season show, we need season and the TV show. So TV show and also the season, and we need to import the season. And for the show episode, first we need to copy this. We need just the episode. So come here and paste that. We don't need the TV show, just the episode, $episode. We need to import the episode here. Okay, save, close this one. And now we need the cast controller and the genre controller. But first, open again the movie controller and copy that to open the cast controller now from front end. Okay, create. Why we don't copy? So copy again and close and paste. Okay, we need here, we need the cast, $cast, and import the cast model. Save, close this. Next one is the genre controller, and we need only the show. So here, open and create the function only for the show method, and we need the genre here. $genre, import the genre. Hit save. Come here and refresh. And we don't have anything because we don't return in the welcome inertia. Okay. But if I go now, why we don't have the view? Because we don't return anything. So we need to open again the welcome and return the inertia here. Return inertia render, and I'm going to render the welcome page. Save. Also we need to import the inertia here and save, close this. Run the, yeah, we have run that. So refresh. And now we have that one. Now inside the view, inertia welcome, if I see we have this jet stream and we have the genres here. we have all the genres like this, slug and title. Okay friends, so with that we can go to the close them navbar, and when we have the genre title here we can add the link. Okay, and make a v4 here, v4 genre in $sign page dot props dot genres. Okay, add the key to be genre dot id, and here we need to close that link. In the href now we need to bind and add the backticks. And if I open the web PHP inside the routes, inside for genres we need genre and the genre slug. Okay, so say slash genres and add here the genre dot slug. Okay, save this one. Come here and refresh. And we forget to add the genres. Forget to add the genre title here. So add genre dot title. Okay, save. Refresh again for last time. Go and check, and we have animation, and you see here down there we have the correct URL. So that's it for this video, friends. Why we have some web routes, and we need genres here, not save, not genre. So refresh, open, and we don't return anything because in the genre front end controller, so if I say here return $sign genre and save, come here and refresh. Okay, animation, and we return the genre, so it's working. Okay friends, hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best.